question. I am Mr. Cade. Seen you! Yes! Can we come over and bring you free furniture?
Wait, are you serious?
Yes!
Yes?
Wait, what's your name?
Daelyn.
Daelyn!
Hi everyone, Mr. Cade here. I'm so excited to be back with a new fun series for the new year. And in this one, we are running up to random strangers and asking them if they want our help, which is actually really scary for me because contrary to popular belief, I'm an introvert. And so I'm just gonna go up and be like, hey, you want some help in your space? Just like an hour, we'll come over, bring you some free furniture and see how it goes. I'm totally freaking out, but I'm also really excited. And we are making this a double giveaway series. So not only is the person we're helping out getting some free furniture, but you guys are also able to enter to win the pieces that you see in this video. So first up, we have Daelyn.
Do you usually walk around with a shop vac?
No, I work at Starbucks around the corner, so I'm returning it for them.
You live around here?
I live about 10 minutes away.
Perfect. Okay. Is there an area in your home that you some help with?
Yes, all of it. It's a college house. So we just moved there like 2 weeks ago.
Let's just quickly talk about your style.
I don't know, kind of fun, quirky, colorful.
Ooh, okay, love it. Can we come over and bring you free furniture?
Yes.
You should always walk around with your shop vac.
Epic.
We're on our way to Daelyn's house. I got a Joey.
Yeah.
We've got stuff in our truck to hopefully pull together Daelyn's living room, a quick fix, and we have an hour, so let's do it. Daelyn! Hi! Wait a minute, this place is so cute!
So Daelyn lives in this cute little cottage with some fellow college students, and they've done a great job pulling it together with some thrifted and hand-me-down and FB marketplace finds. Totally my kind of gal. So my plan is to just go in there, assess what's going on, see if there's like one small area I can help her with, kind of pull it all together.
You guys have throw blankets and a rug and a plant? Is that real?
Oh, it's looking a little dead.
Chic dead.
It's fine, it's like drapey. All right, they're college kids, so you know, they're busy, they're working, they've got school. I see where they were going with like the twinkle lights. It's kind of like a TikTok thing. They've got like the hanging plant. There's a little bit of boho going on in there. I think we can pull this together even more for them, add some style and maybe an alive plant. Okay, Joey.
Yeah?
I have a plan. We're gonna replace the TV stand if that's okay with you.
Yes, that's fine.
It's a little too small compared to your couch. This maybe lamp will find another home.
Sounds good.
And I want to bring in like a patch of color. And coffee table, you have no coffee table.
I love a coffee table.
I have the perfect coffee table for you. All right, Joey,
What?
to the truck. So as many of you creative weirdos know who've been watching us over the years, one of the really cool, amazing things that we were able to do is start our own furniture line. So of course we have those items at our disposal to put in the truck, but I've also got some DIY supplies and just some random things that, you know, kind of fit her style, but this is totally unplanned. We're just gonna see like how it goes and how much we can fix in an hour. So right away, this TV corner is screaming at me. The TV stand is just too small compared to the couch. It also has a crack in it. So that's gonna be replaced. And I also think this is a great opportunity to add some color and pattern, which we're gonna do with a piece of plywood and one roll of our peel and stick wallpaper. They're renters, they don't wanna mount the TV on the wall, so this is a way to bring the eye up and add that color that Daelyn has been craving.
Da 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 da!
Wait, that's so cute.
Isn't that cute? So I painted these.
I'm so excited.
I mean, not like every one of them, but I painted the original pattern.
cute.
But the thought with this, in like our quick fix situation, since you have the TV stand with the TV on it, which tends to be like low, I wanted to bring you something with height. So this is just like rando piece of plywood we had in the truck, but we're gonna cover it in wallpaper.
That's so
And it's gonna be, I mean, obviously it's super rental friendly. I mean, this is
Yeah.
rental friendly anyways because it's peel and stick. Here's what we're gonna do together, okay?
Okay.
I think this is too big right now for right here. So I'm thinking we cut it down. But then I was like, I don't know. I was thinking, you know, sometimes we just like to go crazy. Should we do like a wavy side?
I'm all in. I think that's so fun.
So how are you at drawing wavy lines?
Ooh, I feel pretty good. I feel confident.
Okay.
Don't feel tall enough.
I probably all the time. Step ladder. Ooh, ooh. Yeah. Okay, great, Joey. Joey?
Yeah.
Carry it back outside and cut it?
Okay.
Yay! You're already sweaty.
Well, I'll carry it back outside. You guys can cut it.
So basically, the key with this is to just keep it going. And you're just gonna follow the line.
Okay.
Switch.
And I'm gonna go find some throw pillows.
Okay, guys, I'm pregnant, so I'm not gonna do like all the manual labor, but more importantly, what I've learned over the past decade helping people is that if you empower them to do some of the own work in their space, they are actually gonna like the end result that much more.
Can you reach to the top of that? Or do you?
Yeah.
Okay, you wanna go a little higher than the top? Hey guys, it's Joey 2 Rolls back again, this time with wallpaper rolls. In general, I'm here to lift the heavy things, show you how to do the small things, film the whole process, provide Lamaze services to my pregnant wife, and just provide the hustle. Joey 2 Rolls at your service. I can't get over how many times I've installed our peel and stick wallpaper. I think our line now has over 20 designs and a ton of different colorways, and it's just always so fulfilling how easily you can transform a space in such a short amount of time, and it's removable. I would say my biggest tip when installing our wallpaper is just like, you get into a dance with it. Like, you just gotta be one with the paper, kind of wax on, wax off, and you get into like a kind of rhythm and a dance, and it's just about applying it, getting no air bubbles in it, and it turns out amazing.
All right.
This is one of our brand new pieces.
It's so cute.
Do you like it?
I love it.
Yay!
One of our most popular collections we have is the Luna Cabinet Collection. Hello, it's behind me. It's got this gorgeous fluted glass, and we just recently released the TV stand version. So this is in the parchment color. It's gonna go beautifully under the TV, and we're gonna play with asymmetry in here, which I love. We're gonna let the TV stand actually flow from the corner to extend under the window. There's the nice sheer curtains they've already hung, good job. And then we'll have the panel of wallpaper, and I'm gonna style it later with a lamp, and it's gonna work out. Unconventional, but cute. Your new coffee table! We are giving them one of our Mr. Kate Winston lift top coffee tables in rustic oak. They don't even have a coffee table, so this is a major upgrade. This piece actually went viral on TikTok, and I know why, because it is so useful, especially for college students who probably do everything from eating to studying to playing games on their couch. You lift it up, it's so easy, plus you can tuck your mess away inside and cover it up when you have friends over. So excited for them.
Okay, new plant time.
This is so good.
I take it back what I said about it being cute, because it is a little sad.
It's looking
If
a
I
little
give
rough.
you this one, will you
We'll try
not
harder.
make it die?
Try so much harder.
You know what's so cool is these tendrils will just like keep growing. They're pothos, but they're also called devil's ivy. I feel like because they're so just resilient to death.
I'm donating a healthy drapey plant to the cause because let's just finish that thought. I love the macrame plant hanger. I love that she thought to put a plant in it. Now we just need an alive one. I love her couch, it's in great shape. I also love her rug, it's colorful. So we're just adding to that by bringing in some more high quality throw pillows and editing her throw blankets a little bit. She had like 3. Let's go down to like 1, maybe 2. Diving head first into the boho vibes by also adding this woven lamp. It complements the macrame hanger, and I love that it also highlights the asymmetry of the TV placement. Behind the couch, we're adding these simple macrame little shelves. I wanted something to bring the eye up there since we've got the panel opposite to it, and this is a really minimalist kind of boho look. On the other side of the couch, we're adding another healthy plant, just giving life to the space, and we're done. I think we accomplished a good amount of stuff in an hour. What do you guys think? Also remember, stay tuned to find out how you can win some of these items, but let's remember where we started.
you.
You're welcome. And like, I feel like it was so fast that we pulled this all together. I'm obsessed with our curvy
Me too.
wallpaper. And then we can sit and we can smell the flowers up close.
Oh, they don't smell like anything.
I'm so happy with how it turned out. I mean, could I have stayed there and done like so much more? Yeah, but the whole point was try to figure out what we could do in an hour. And I think that Daelyn helped soothe some of my stranger anxiety, but we still have more of these coming. So hopefully no one's mean to me as I run up to them on the street and ask them about their sofa. But yeah, an hour. We gave her style, color, what she wanted, and let's be honest, that living room looks way better than the majority of college students' places. It's young and fresh and cute. And yeah, quick fix, done. This was a pleasure.
Quick fix done.
So fun.
Quick fix done. Thank you for letting us invade your space.
Come whenever you want. You're always welcome.
For trusting us. Okay guys, that's it for our quick fix today. We will be having more of these episodes coming at you, so make sure you're following everywhere, and also you can enter to win one of these furniture pieces that we used in here. So you can comment TV stand if you want that, or coffee table if you want that, and one of you will win. And stay tuned. Make sure you follow on all platforms because you can enter there as well. So see you later.